What is Alexa? It is a voice controlled home assistant. That means you will give a command using your voice and that will be executed by the Alexa. Alexa basically is a voice engine and it can convert the voice to an executable command. Alexa uses the device named Amazon Echo to execute that action through some compatible devices connected and configured with it. The use of Alexa. It can be used either as voice control and or smart home integration hub. Using voice control, you can play music, set alarms, check weather, or ask any general knowledge questions. Now, using Smart Home Integration Hub, you can control compatible smart home devices such as lights, thermostats, security appliances like camera or door lock, etc. Alexa in our daily life. As an information hub assistant, get answers to your questions from simple fact to detailed topics. As shopping or ordering assistant, you can shop online with Amazon and schedule deliveries. As an entertainment and communication assistant, you can listen to your streamed music, podcast, or can make calls also. Alexa as your home automation hub. You can control lights with voice command, set or adjust the mood, brightness, and even schedule. You can adjust thermostat temperature and schedule and control remotely. You can monitor Alexa enabled cameras and door locks and control the access remotely. Alexa skill. Alexa executes the voice command using some skill which is available in the Alexa skill library. Every company that builds Alexa enabled smart devices, they always build an Alexa skill as well in order to make the product work with Alexa seamlessly. Customizable skill. There are huge sets of skills available to your specific needs, from recipe and news to games and fitness tracking. Personalized experiences. Alexa learns your preferences over time and suggests personalized recommendation for music, news, and even shopping based on your history. Multi-room control. You can control Alexa devices located across multiple rooms as well. Convenient lifestyle. Alexa provides some options like wake up in the morning to your favorite music, set light according to the mood, control smart devices even from outside from your home, allow access control of your locked door, and monitor over camera remotely. You can enjoy relaxing evening by setting ambient light and playing calm music. Alexa's impact on home automation. Enhanced convenience. Alexa makes managing your home's systems effortlessly. Improved efficiency. It can optimize energy usage. Increased security. Strengthen your home security with remote monitoring. Future with Alexa. Alexa is transforming the way we interact with our home and the household appliances and devices. Now it may appear to use Alexa as a luxurious item, but in the near future, it will be the order of the day. People will not go to the switchboard to just switch on or off a light or a fan. They will just use voice command as Alexa offers. Evolution of Amazon Echo devices. Amazon Echo devices revolutionized the way we interact with technology. They provide host of smart features to our homes. First generation Echo. Released in 2014, the beginning of the smart speaker revolution. Cylindrical in design, powerful speakers, and array of microphones for voice reception. It access to Alexa services, allowing user to play music, set alarms, control smart devices. Second generation Echo, released in 2017. Significant design update, small in size. Enhanced quality delivers a richer and more detailed audio experience. Introduces Dolby processing and better noise cancellation for clearer voice interaction. Third generation Echo, released in 2018, major design shift. Spherical form factor with fabric wrapper, with distinctive LED ring that illuminated during interaction with Alexa. Comes with built-in subwoofer, results in deeper bass and surround sound effect. Fourth generation Echo, released in 2020, spherical design with refined aesthetic look. Comes with improved drivers and powerful processor that delivers a rich, room-filling audio experience. Echo Dot. The Echo Dot, first released in 2016, comes with features like compact size, voice control, Bluetooth connectivity, and clock feature. Echo Show. The device comes with a unique feature of display and touch screen, allowing users to not only interact with Alexa over voice, but also view information, watch videos, and even make calls through touch senses. Its integrated camera and speaker made it a versatile device for communication and entertainment. Future of Echo devices. With subsequent advent of each release with unique addition of features, it leads us to a new technological paradigm. Now comes with artificial intelligence capabilities, more personalized experiences, and greater integration with other smart devices. From the year 2014, and each year they are evolving with loads of features, and each generation unfolds a new possibility towards home automation. EcoShow devices. Echo devices with touchscreen display features started from the year 2017, and almost every alternate year they are just galloping forward few steps in the term of development and enhancement. The core features are the same, but they vary in terms of screen sizes and display resolution quality. Echo series comparison. Echo Pop, best for music listening, Bluetooth enabled, loud sound, balanced bass, and crisp vocals. Echo Dot 5th generation, best for music listening plus smart home, clearer vocals, and deeper bass. It comes with motion detection and temperature sensor. Echo Dot 4th generation, premium sound powered by Dolby and Atmos plus smart home controls. Echo Show 5 second generation. Alexa speaker with 5.5-inch screen size. It comes with a camera that allow to monitor your home remotely. Echo Show 8 second generation. Alexa speaker with 8-inch HD screen size with an improved 13MP camera and stereo sound. Echo Show 10 best Amazon Echo device ever with revolutionary 10.1-inch screen size that automatically rotates to face you. Comes with 10-watt speaker that delivered clear and loud sound. Echo Studio quality speaker. It has Dolby technology, adds space, clarity, and depth to your sound. Welcome to the Alexa setup process. This will guide you through the easy steps to set up your new Alexa device. It covers everything from initial requirements to customization options, enabling you to get the most out of your voice assistant. Requirements and compatibility. Supported devices. Alexa works with a wide range of devices, including Amazon Echo Smart Speaker, Fire TV, and some other branded TVs also come with embedded Alexa capabilities and compatible smartphones. Network. Alexa devices requires a stable internet connection like broadband Wi-Fi with good bandwidth. This is crucial for voice recognition, music streaming, and for accessing Alexa server for many features to work. Alexa app for configuration. Start downloading the Alexa app from App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store for Android. The app is free of cost. Now you need to create a Amazon account and keep signed in always to link your Alexa devices, allowing you to control it and access various features. Once installed, open Alexa app and follow on-screen instruction to proceed. Configure and connect your device. In this section, the app will ask you to select your home's Wi-Fi network, or if your Alexa device supports Bluetooth, you might need to pair it with your smartphone for initial setup. Amazon account sign up and login. If you have the Amazon account created already, then sign in, or else need to create a Amazon account and then sign in. The Alexa app will guide you to select the correct device from the list. Assign a name to your device that is recognizable. This name will be used mostly to trigger the device. You need to select the room and the physical address of the location where the device is located for accessing location-based features like weather update and local news. Customize your Alexa settings. Music services. Connect your favorite music services like Spotify, Apple Music, or Amazon Music to enjoy streaming audio on your Alexa device. Notifications. Enable notifications for important events such as calendar appointments, reminders, and news. Privacy settings. Adjust your privacy settings to control what information Alexa collects and how it's used. Your Alexa device is ready now for accepting voice commands to play music, set alarms, get weather updates, control smart home devices, and much more. Press the dot button
Resetting your device.
for
This will
installation.
take about a minute.
Will
I'll let you know when it's done.
let you know when it is ready.
So, your device is ready for setup. Just download the Alexa app and follow the
As I have
instructions.
already downloaded the app and logged in with the account, so I can start readily. Click agree and continue. Now it is searching for the nearest Wi-Fi connection. It might take some time. Now it is done and connected. Now you have to select the language and the location of the device, physical address location, and the room selecting. Now it is fully and finally configured. Thank you for watching the video.